Laingut ki Samla Niah Lieng Jong Khuborjylla berkentup ya ke Elizabeth Vincent bat skem nongbak bat pencengan kurba kila pentebet ya ledi bikin la benit Aireng bat mi kmat ya ke India haki Lympung Iakhun jeng kiri ke Pyrthei. Ke Elizabeth nari bohai di tang maka ke Samla Meghalaya ke Basyakjit ban Aireng haka ICF World Cup Prague ke Bandong hau jiliu arjar arpusa. Kinong job ha ke World Cup kin seyok pat ban ya Aireng ha ke Paris sama Olimpik ke Bandong mentau snem. Kini kilaingut kin yok banidon lang ha ke kenhun dilek kajung ke India ban Aireng ha ke international keno slalom tournament ke Banlong ha Russia ha unai lur mentau snem. Halor keniu Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma daladi hi ulalet ban pelut por ban ye selok bat kini kinong ilek kai. Ulo ongru bekum Menteri Rangba usngau sorong bagi Samla na ke Jela kin yok banit Aireng ha ke Lympung ki bakal he.
Morning. I couldn't come out.
Slalom course, and she had already sent out.
In order to be able to achieve that goal of not just participating in the Olympics but actually winning a medal. So this kind of a program and investment is already being done by our government.
8 lakh people of the state are going to be looking up to you to qualify on that. So I know it's a great pressure, but if you can do it, it'll be the most amazing moment for us, and it'll be a huge motivation to all of these youngsters out here.